Alright, welcome back to the channel. First, let me say, if you're watching, thank you very much. Today we're super excited because we're going to do some fragging, but I have some help this time. I just got a new toy to play with, inland bandsaw, made for cutting coral, glass, whatever. But we're going to try it out today and we're going to frag some coral up. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the main coral that I want to frag today is this war coral right here, because he's overgrowing the 3" by 3" plate. I may also work on this brain coral here because I actually have like 3 other corals growing on the same plate because it was close to the other ones in the other tank. So we're probably going to cut those 3 pieces off and possibly cut him into 4 pieces and regrow some new ones. Alright, so we're going to start out with the war coral. So we're going to get him out of here. Let you see him up close. So what we're going to try to do is cut around that disc there and then cut pieces from that. So let's get him in our temporary holding water and get set up to cut him on the saw. So the saw is all ready. I got the drain hooked up. I have water, RO water in here, which I'm going to add some iodine to. So we'll do that now. We got a little Lulu's iodine here. So we're going to add a couple drops to the RO water just to prevent any infections. Okay. And we're going to top this off also. Make sure we got enough water in there. Okay, so I think we're all set. So now we'll let me put the camera on a stand so I can be free with my hands, and we'll cut these frags up. Okay, so I'm not going to talk while I'm doing this because the saw is way too loud. You won't be able to hear me anyways. So I'm just going to start, and you can watch and see how I do it. Okay, so as you can see, it cut right around it. So now I have all these to clean it off a little bit in the iodine. Now I'm going to cut this up into pieces for frags. Okay, so we got, what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 6 frags off of that. So we're gonna get them in some iodine now. Rinse them off. And then we're gonna mount them on some new frag plugs. You can see you're getting a lot of slime off that. But we're just going to clean all the dust off of them. I think we'll take the original one, put it back in the tank. Pull the iodine off. For now, I'm just going to put him back in the tank for now. And we'll probably remount him on a new plate. And the rest of these pieces, I'm going to take out of the iodine, rinse them off in here. Okay, now we're going to get some frag plugs and mount them. Okay, so we got our frag plugs. And we are going to remount these. A little bit of glue. There's our first piece. This is pretty quick and easy. Just gonna mount them on new frag plugs, put them back in the tank, and you'll be all done. Got some nice pieces. And that's all there is to it, guys. Alright guys, so the next one we're going to do is that brain coral that I was talking about. Let's take a look at that. So as you can see, these corners have corals that attach to them when they were close to this plate. So we're going to cut this. This is a brain coral, the Platygyra coral. So we're going to cut that up and redistribute it onto some frag plugs. Alright guys, so what I chose to use is this rubble rock that I got. It's got, actually this one has 2 flat sides so it stands right, and I figure if I put them on there they're gonna grow over it for future fragging. So let's get started. Let me get some water in here real quick. Our super glue real quick. Got some really nice pieces off this. There's a nice piece here. So we're just gonna apply that one on here. That way as it grows off, it'll grow down the rock and that'll be really nice. So put it in here, go on to the next one. Trying to position them on here where they'll grow off good. Alright guys, well here's a shot of all the frags that we just did. There was none on this wreck before. The brain coral, we're gonna hope, grows over time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it and enjoyed using my new toy. I'll see you in the next one. Happy reefing.